Introducing our empty drop-in filter for the Canon EF-EOS R lens adapter. It's designed to allow you to insert the glass from any threaded 52mm filter ring. Our step-down washer ring will allow you to insert glass from 48mm and 49mm threaded filter rings. Here's a guide to what glass is compatible. You will receive an empty drop-in frame plus a small wrench tool. First, use the wrench tool to remove the retaining ring. Next, choose any glass from a 52, 49, or 48mm threaded filter ring. For 52mm glass, simply slot it into the frame. Then, tighten the retaining ring to secure the glass. For 48 and 49mm threaded filters, you'll need a step-down washer set. Place the first step-down washer notch side up. Next, insert the glass into the frame and place the second step-down washer notch side down. Add the retaining ring and secure with the wrench. Now, you have a Kolari drop-in filter with custom glass. This filter is fully compatible with our Kolari EF-EOS R drop-in filter adapter and Canon's adapter. Available now.